Welcome back. Well, another beauty out there today. Lots of sunshine and temperatures warming up nicely again this afternoon. Milder conditions at night and warmer daytime highs in the forecast. Plus, the wind will be on the increase as we round out the week. And then we're looking at our next weather maker. So let's kick it upstairs. Take a look at the water vapor imagery. We have two upper level lows. One that's by SoCal. That's going to be racing off to the east. Could generate some storms, maybe even a threat of severe weather up toward the Arklatex for tomorrow afternoon, evening. But that one's going to miss us to the north. This one, though, is going to bring a chance of showers and storms, and it's probably going to be a severe weather producer across a large swath of the country from the central U.S. down to the Gulf Coast as we head into Friday, Saturday. But hopefully the worst of it stays north and east of Acadiana. Once again, we're going to be in the initiation zone where things start get going, but we'll see how that plays out. Meanwhile, back to the west, they're waiting on rain to the south, snow at elevation, and this is all part of this storm system right here. This is going to kick this one east, and this is going to be our weather maker, the one that's off the Pac Northwest. That's our weather maker going into Friday, Saturday. High pressure in charge now. It's going to stay that way for another day. We'll continue to see southwesterly winds. Few clouds try to roll in by daybreak, and going into tomorrow, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for tomorrow afternoon, so several degrees warmer, and it's also going to get a little bit breezier tomorrow afternoon as well. Then going into tomorrow evening, notice showers and thunderstorms developing just north of Acadiana. We'll keep an eye on the situation. A couple of these storms could produce hail or damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado, but that should stay north of the region, passes by harmlessly. Maybe a few showers drag through the area tomorrow night through Thursday morning, but Thursday should be another mostly sunny, breezy, and warm one. Temperatures getting into the lower 80s. Now, going into Thursday night, Friday morning, we have that lunar eclipse between 1 and 2 in the morning. Around those times, unfortunately, here it is at 2 a.m. Cloud cover is going to be coming in, so I don't know if we're going to get to see that blood red moon in the lunar eclipse or not. We'll just take it one day at a time. As we open it on up and take a look at the big picture going into the weekend, we'll be watching this storm system. Could generate a few scattered showers or thunderstorms Friday, and there could be a severe weather element, especially to the north. And then going into Saturday, now if we're believing the Euro model, it's going for highest rain chances in the morning, but 5 days out, we still can't buy that quite yet. But we will go with an 80% chance of rain, hopefully no severe weather, but we could be in a partial tornado watch, or all of the area could be. We'll have to wait and see how that fleshes out. And then that whole mess moves eastward by Saturday evening, and by Sunday we're back to cool and breezy conditions. As for the substantial severe weather threats coming later this week, this is for Friday. Enhanced risk, that's level 3 out of 5, and sometimes when we get closer to the actual event, we start to see a moderate risk, so we'll be watching that. Notice the slight risk just north of Acadiana going into Friday. That may change. That may mean that we're going to be in a marginal risk going into Friday, and then more than likely a slight risk, enhanced risk a little bit farther to the east. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that no severe weather comes here, but we must be prepared for it and not be surprised if storms get cooking across the area. Not expecting a whole lot of rain with this system. It looks like all the big rains will be east of us, so we'll keep our fingers crossed on that as well. Mid-50s overnight tonight, so about 10 degrees milder than last night. Tomorrow, mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow night will favor temperatures holding in the 60s, and then going into Thursday afternoon, pushing into the lower 80s. Spring has sprung certainly this week. So 54 the low tonight. You notice a damp southerly wind as well. That's going to add to the humidity, and you'll feel a little bit, maybe smell a little bit of the Gulf of Mexico coming in. 77 the high tomorrow, breezy afternoon, but it won't be, it'll be about as breezy on Thursday, but then going into Friday, we'll call it windy. Saturday, windy, gusts 30 to 35. That severe weather threat potentially on Saturday as well. Clearing house Sunday and beyond with up and down temperatures and more spring-like weather to follow. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up in just a little bit.